In this video, we're going to show you how to shape and define your bone structure with the contouring technique. First, you want to highlight parts of your face. Do this with a liquid foundation that's one shade lighter than your natural skin colour. Use the light colour to hide dark circles and to subtly lift parts of your face. Apply it to your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, chin and brow bones. Now apply a darker foundation. Use one that is 2 to 3 shades darker for contouring. Apply it on the side of your nose, on the sides of your forehead and underneath your cheekbones. Blend the shades using a foundation brush to make sure you create a natural look and avoid any sharp-looking edges. Finally, sweep some compact powder to mattify and set the look. Finish with some bronzer in the contouring parts for that extra glow. And there you have it, contouring made easy.